my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to say sorry now if the lighting's terrible. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's just gone dark, dingy, it is snowing, so there's not a lot I can do about it unfortunately, but I have the lights on, my landing light on. I haven't got lights yet. I know, but it'll be spring soon and it'll be lighter in the day, so let's crack on. So I have a different type of unboxing today, nevertheless, and it is a tea unboxing. And I recently saw this all over Instagram, and I just had to try it. And the first box, if you sign up, the first box is £2, and I wanted to try it and see what all the hype was about, really, because I love tea. I'm a big tea drinker, although I am more of a coffee drinker nowadays, but I do love a good herbal tea or normal tea. So, what are Varieteas? I love their name. They are a family-run small business that each month it's £7 or £7.99 a month, and they send you out 30 teas, which is one every day, which is brilliant. I think that concept is really good, especially if you are like me and like I always have a ton of different teas in my they call it the library of tea. It's a cupboard, and I just get bored and I never finish, or I just forget about it. And like I was sorting my cupboards out the other day. I'm going to be rambling in this video, and I had like 3 boxes of opened chamomile tea, and that's just unnecessary. So their theory is an adventure in every cup. Okay, so sorry, I've got some itchy nose. So yeah, your first box is £2. I will try and find a link down below, and it's really easy to cancel your subscription too if you don't like it. I've cancelled mine because I've recently gone through my tea and I've got boxes of it and I don't feel like I need any more, so I'd rather drink that, not waste it. I've given some away, and also I'm going to maybe pick this up in a few months or something. But I emailed them, they cancelled it, and they're really, really great. Within 2 days it was cancelled. But I will, and they do give the option to pause your account, which is great also. But no, I just decided to cancel. But I've not looked in this. I ripped it open to have a little look, sorry. But I had to, I just couldn't contain myself. I haven't had any pose for a while. So, in the box, this is what it looks like. You get a little leaflet and a sticker, and it's really well packaged. So I'm just gonna pop that on my knee. And I've picked a jumper with annoying sleeves. So, this is really funny, this voucher. It says, to receive a free cuppa, present this voucher to a friend, colleague or family member. They have to make it just how you like it. This was a coupon for a free cup of tea, which I thought was funny. But anyway, a bit of the information. It says, hello fellow tea lover, welcome to the adventure in every cup. As a small family run business, your support means the world to us. You're about to enjoy a world of delicious new tea, conveniently delivered to your doormat each month. A word of warning, you may feel overwhelmed with joy as you sample and experience delicious new brews, but don't worry, we've also built a tea community, like-minded tea drinkers, so you can connect and share your love. Happy brewing, Becky and the Variety team. Really good. They've got all their social media there, and I will obviously share that. And I think this is really good for someone who's new into like herbal teas and doesn't want to dedicate themselves to a box. Or in the past I've tried Taylor's tea and I really love the rhubarb one. I would never pick that up and I love it. So let's dive in. And this is jam packed. Wow, that is a lot of tea. I'm gonna, goodness me. Wow, I don't know if you can see that. I will take pictures also. Okay. I'm just going to pick some at random and then just like, I don't know, I'm not going to explain what they are like to depth because there's a lot in here, but I will keep a count. So the first one we've got is by adego.com teas, and it's a blueberry white tea. And these are all tea bags. which is great because sometimes I don't want to have a loose tea. I do enjoy loose tea. So that's the first one. I really hope that this is all good and focused and everything. I'm going to be putting them on the shelf. And another one by them, and it's the green popcorn tea. I love popcorn tea. Twinings do one, it kind of tastes really nutty, and it definitely does taste like popcorn. So that's that one there. It says Geneva Chai Tea combining fresh leaves and nutty popped rice, and it is really nice. What's this one? So I feel, if I come across a bit weird today, I've got a migraine, so I'm not feeling myself. I'm feeling a bit strange. I haven't got a migraine at the moment, but I can feel one coming on, so yeah. So, and I'm just kind of overwhelmed with how many teas I've got. This is great. This is really good. So, the next one is Hooghly, I think that's how you say it, Rhubarb and Vanilla Green Tea. Upgrade your daily cup of tea and create a little hoogie in your life. And it's one biodegradable tea bag. Lovely. That sounds nice. That sounds really nice. I really like rhubarb tea. Okay, so I'm just going to blast through these. I'm not going to go too much into detail because there is so much. And this video will probably be about half an hour to an hour long. So, we've got Pure Peppermint Tea by the London Tea Company. I have heard of them. They're fair trade. They're also vegetarian and vegan, obviously. Really good. We have this one here. We Tea. It's called tea. Just a tea. We Are Tea. English breakfast black tea. That'll get drunk. Another tea bag. This is an Assam one. That'll be a nice strong cup of tea. I will use that probably tomorrow morning. Another one is Taylor's, one of my favourite tea brands. Taylor's of Harrogate. Organic chamomile. I got another one. So yeah, I might give this to my friend who's just had a baby, or I don't know, keep it in my bag or something when I'm feeling stressed. But a chamomile one. We have another one by Harrogate's. Taylor's of Harrogate. Pure green tea. I really liked that last time. Really nice. I want to get back into drinking green tea every day because it stopped me from feeling poorly as much, but I got poorly. So another one. So we've got QI Organic Turmeric and Matcha Green Tea. Now I've never tried turmeric tea. I've had matcha tea. I do believe that teas are really good at herbal side of it. I believe that, you know, if you're sick, you should have ginger tea. If you're stressed, you should have chamomile. I do feel that they do actually benefit your skin. And it's nice and it's warm. But I do actually believe that, like, having certain levels and certain different teas do different things. I'm one of them herbalists that thinks that different herbs do different things. But that's open to everyone. You know, not everyone's like that. But I'm excited to try this. It's got ginger in it as well. So that's nice. You know, I'll watch this video back and none of the tea bags will be like, they'll be really close. Okay, so we have another QI Organic, and it's a blueberry tea. I really like how simple their packaging is. And we have a brand called Cozy Tea. We have decaffeinated black tea, fair trade, organic. I like this because there's some brands I've never heard of. Like, I've never heard of QI tea or Cozy Tea, or what's another brand? What's that popcorn tea? That brand I've never heard of before. So yeah, decaf tea. I don't drink decaf tea. I might give it a go though. I might give that a go. Another one by Cozy Tea is the Lemon Green Organic Sanchi Green Tea with lemon. So that's nice. I'm not a huge fan of green tea with lemon, so I will pass it on to my sister. But this is great if you you do events, or you have an office and you can just stock up, or you have like people that come over. You can just put these in a box and they can pick and choose every time they come over. Like, my one friend has this ton of tea bags that she only keeps aside for me because she doesn't really drink herbal tea. So that's nice. That's nice. But yeah, I don't like this, but I will pass it on to my sister. She loves a bit of green tea with lemon. I don't like it with lemon, I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, have we got any more cozy teas? No, we haven't, I don't think. Nope. Okay, so we have a couple of Twinings. So I've had this before, I really like it. It's the Twinings Cherry Bakewell Green Tea. I really like that. I've had it before. It does change, like, taste a bit weird, but I like it. And this one, which I think they're just going too far now, I think, personally. But you never know, I might be surprised and I might quite like this. So it's a Twinings Chocolate Coconut Flavoured Green Tea. Not sure on that. Sounds a bit weird to me. I'm not sure on that. Oh no, all the tea is falling. I'm literally in a mountain of tea. Could life be any better? Okay, so we have a couple of pucker ones. So I'll try and grab them out. I love pucker tea. I drink their nighttime tea. I drink their I obviously just got that greens capsules, which I've not started yet. I drink their peppermint tea, their 3 mint tea. I love pucker. So the fact that we've got peppermint tea in here also is really good. So we have lemon, ginger and manuka honey, pucker. I really could have done with that last week because I had a ridiculously sore throat, hence why I didn't film. Okay, and we have turmeric gold tea, which has got lemon and turmeric in it, so that's different. I'll give that a go. That's that one. We have, okay, so I'm just gonna try and match up some that I can. So we have another brand called Heath and Heather. They've been going since 1920, which is pretty impressive. We have the organic blackcurrant tea and the organic pomegranate tea, which I've never had before. I've had blackcurrant, but I've never had pomegranate. And I've seen this brand in Hollett and Barrett, and they're not too expensive. I think it's like £2 for a big packet of tea. So that's that one. Decided to try. And that one. We have. Just try. I think they're all. Okay. We have these two, which are matchy. So we have Dragonfly tea, which is really nice tea. I like it. We have the pure peppermint. And we have the spiced chai, which is great. I love the packaging of these. Now I'm glad to see we have chai tea, because what I do is I put it in a pan with some soy milk or almond milk or whatever milk you choose. Put it in a pan with the tea bag in it. Just let it steep and you can make the most amazing chai lattes. So nice. Without the sugary powder. I do have the powder one, but yeah, it's so nice. Okay, I think we have some by the same brand again. Yeah, okay, so we have a company called Ahmed Tea London, and the packaging is so like retro, I like it. So we've got black tea, which is great, which I will use for, oh no it's not, it's cardamom tea. I've never had that before. Okay, so this is best teas from Sri Lanka. Okay, so I might give this a go. I might try and make some sort of like milky aromatic thing out of it. And we have the chamomile, honey and vanilla, which is really funny because I have that Twinings, which I'm excited to try. I'll see if they taste any different. Okay, we have this other company, which is London Fruit and Herb Company. Okay, this looks posh. We have the Orange Spicer, Orange Oriental Tea. Okay, so you can use this hot or cold, so I might give this a go, keep this till the summer, and do a nice refreshing cold drink with it. We have Sweet Peppermint. Oh, I'm so glad. I love sweet peppermint tea. I love spearmint tea. I drink it every day to help my bloating. I'm very glad for this. And you can have that cold as well. So it's good that they have that option on there. We are almost at the bottom of the box. I've probably been talking for a long time, and I'm talking very quickly today. If you like these sort of videos, I might get this box again in the future. Just like comment down below or something. But yeah. So we have another tea here, which is, obviously it's a tea box. A Bellevue tea, and this is just red bush tea, so it's herbal, so it's caffeine free, which is really good. I did go through a stage of really like drinking that. It's nice in the evening actually, because it's got no caffeine in it, so it doesn't keep you awake, but you're still getting a nice cup of tea that's not herbal. We have, oh, another one, but it's by Clipper. I love Clipper teas. Clipper teas you can find everywhere, they're a bit like pucker, really nice. This is a red bush one. This is what I actually used to drink, so I know that would be tasty. I'm going to get myself a tea caddy, like a box with a lid that has different tea bags in, because I've got so many at the moment. I'm having to put them in Tupperware boxes and I want to drink them, so yeah. We have, okay, two of the same brand. We have Brody's since 1867. We have the Robusta and Apple. That sounds nice. I might try on that cold. And we have the chai masala. Again, that means I can make my chai lattes. Love. We have 3 left now. It's so much tea. I'm in like heaven. My endorphins are going nuts. I'm such a weirdo. Anyway, so we have Takia Turmeric Golden Ginger Tea. Adding a slice of lime. Okay, lemon and honey for the ultimate ginger tea experience. It's got coconut in it and rose here. I might pass this on because I am sensitive on my face to rosehip, and I might give it a go, I'm not sure. That's a in the maybe pass on, or whoever comes over might be lucky to have that. We have one by Ronnie, how do you even say that? Ronnefeld tea envelope. Reversus vanilla. Lovely. That sounds nice. Oh, it looks German. German or Swedish. But it's herbal infusion vanilla tea. It's definitely, yeah, something like that. European. And the last one is one of my fancy favourite tea brands. I love this tea. It is the English Tea Company. It's organic and it's white tea, coconut and passion fruit, which I've never had before. Lovely. So, I literally, oh my gosh, look at all this tea. Wow, I'm so overwhelmed. So, yeah guys, that is the unboxing of the tea. And I mean, the actual, not drama, the actual tea. So yeah, definitely check them out. Definitely try the £2 and you know, it's definitely well worth it. Even £7.99 or £7 a month is well worth it. It's great, you don't have to buy lots of boxes. I think there is 30 tea bags in there, which is great. They're a family run business, so you're not only just helping out, you know, you're not just saving pennies, you're helping out a small business, which is great. I'm not being paid, or it's not PR to do this video, but don't forget to check out my blog, because I will try and list, if I've tried any, I'll try and list which ones are my standout favourites, and also like my social media, like this video, subscribe, join the family, because I have a lot of people watch my, more people watch my videos and then they're subscribing. I know I need to know which